congrats at we are so proud of you dahil this is your first mini graduation! Wala na. Ito na yung araw na yun. Kung saan 1 month ago, first day of school niya lang. Okay. Tapos ngayon, eto na. Mini first graduation na ni Baby Lakeisha. Coming home, I no longer want to roll. Set the table, 'cause I know that I'm running out of road. Kaya ngayong araw, gusto kong sobrang gawing special itong araw na to dahil mamaya
this gift is your favorite merienda.
Boy! Seryoso ka ba? Yan talaga yung regalo mo sa anak mo? Magre-regalo kay Lakeisha ng surpresang hindi niya akalain at sobrang favorite niya to. Kaya kasama ko ngayon ang mga ninong ni Lakeisha na si Argon, Yamin, at si Yang A para magyabangan ng regalo.
Yun! Alam mo yung regalo ko? Bawal sabihin.
Uy, surprise!
Ako, gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng konting glimpse ng...
Blimp? Anong blimp?
Boy, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng glimpse na ang aking iririgalo hindi lang para siya.
Okay na yun. Yung regalo ko, patok sa mga kabataan. Talagang maadik sila kay siya dito, boy.
Oh,
magagamit
boy,
na.
tangin na, parang delikado to, boy, ah.
Bakit?
Maadik eh.
Kasi mga toys, baka toys.
Talagang ma-enjoy siya dito, boy. Magagamit na
maganda yan na nagyayabangan kayo dahil kung sino ang mananalo sa payabangan pagandahan ng regalo sa ating Unica Prinsesa, ang ating unang estudyante na si Baby Lakeisha dito sa BG ay makakatanggap ng 100,000 pesos.
Uy! Puso, ano? 100,000 pala? Dapat ginaligan ko pa!
Itong regalo ko na to, mababaon niya hanggang 2027.
3 taon. 2 taon.
2 taon.
Grabe, hanggang grade 2.
Oo, hanggang grade 2.
Okay, sige, bibigay na natin yan.
Ay, 4 na taon pala to.
Okay. Kisha, are you ready?
Ready.
Ready? Okay. Congratulations!
Nagta-thank you bigla, nagta-thank you na. Congratulations! Kasi mag-grade 1 ka na.
Grade 1 na agad?
Grade 1 ba?
Preschool pa lang yung ginagalitan pa.
Kindergarten ka pa lang. Yan. Nagta-thank you na. Alam mo bakit? Ba't mong may racket? This gift is your favorite merienda. And this is the marshmallow. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Because I love you forever.
What can you say to Nino?
That is your favorite, right?
Yes.
Pwede na yan! Thank you, Nino! Ito guys, sobrang maganda to. Sige G, ikaw na mag-sabi.
Before I will give you this gift, congratulations, Baby Kisha. Congratulations. Yo. This gift is like most famous gift in the world, Kisha.
Really?
Yes, this is the this is the most beautiful and enjoyable gift that you will receive. This gift is, look, Roblox. This Roblox is full of games.
Really?
Yes, this have
Actually, 500 pesos lang yung budget natin sa regalo para kay Kisha.
Oh, kasi dito, look Kisha, there's a 434 and there's kulang.
Kulang. Ayan, kulang.
This is the kulang. Yes, Kisha, it's a... No, this not laptop. Not laptop. Laptop is.
Oh, maganda to, laptop.
Just the game.
Just the game. Oh.
Okay, what will you say, Kisha?
Huh? Di masaya. Di masaya, boy. Di masaya. Ano na agad to, boy?
Sabihin nyo kasi. Kisha, do you like it?
What will you say to Ninong?
Thank you, Ninong.
To you, who is your favorite ninong?
Namin. Argon.
Ano? Ninong namin.
Namin.
Ninong namin. When you grow up, magagamit mo to. It's not about the materials, it's about thoughts.
Oh, it's about the happy thoughts.
How old are you? 3. Boy, 3 years old pa lang anak ko, pero I got you, matututo to.
Alright, sige, tingnan natin. Ano yan?
Boy, marketing ka, di ba?
Marketing ako.
Kishang, I have gift for you.
What's that? Uy, medyo This is my gift
For
for you.
you! Kishang, do you like this?
Ano yan?
Kishang, you know, it costs 2 pesos. But you can market this. You can sell 3 pesos.
Uy, graduate lang yan sa school ha, hindi graduate sa marketing. Yun na ba yan?
Boy,
Seryoso ka ba? Yan talaga yung regalo mo sa anak
boy,
mo?
it's not about material. It's about
Thoughts. And that's the thoughts.
Teka lang, tots, sumakit ang ulo sa'yo.
Boy, you like it, Kisha? Oh, gusto naman eh. Perfect.
May chocolate ka na, may pera ka pa.
Thank you.
Ngayon, oras na para mag-reveal naman yung daddy niya.
Uy, abang ito.
First, I want to congratulate you because you finished play school and you already experienced mini graduation. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. Now, this is daddy's ultimate dream for you. Actually, I want to buy you a little one, but this one is huge. And this is your favorite. You will like it, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Like,
Panisin natin lahat ng mga ninong. 3, 2, 1!
What's that?
Horse!
grabe ka talaga, boy. Iba ka. Iba talaga. 500 lang yan.
G, renta lang to. Kahit tanungin pa natin, bossing, di ba renta lang, boss? Oh, renta lang. Hindi ko binili to. Ngayong araw lang to. Simple lang ang happiness ni Kisha. Makita niya lang yung mga pinapanood niya sa cartoons, katulad nito. Sobrang masaya na yan.
Dito, boy, ah.
Kisha, this horse is for you. You like it?
I like it.
Daddy ride it first?
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Alright.
Don Marco.
3, 2, 1! 1, 2, 3!
Grabe, nag-enjoy yung tato.
Feeling ko regalo niya yan sa sarili.
Oo nga, hindi para sa anak eh.
Hindi, para sa kanya to.
Para-paraan talaga.
Para hindi mo siya mapagalitan, hindi mo siya masita.
Halika na, pasakayin ko na sila Kisha. Halika na. Yes, sige ko sila Kisha dito. Yeah. Alright, hold on, okay?
The night seems under the windows like when you wanted so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way.
Nag-enjoy yung tatay, hindi naman yung anak eh.
Hindi, nag-enjoy yung anak, pero parang mas nag-enjoy yung tatay.
Ayun nga.
Ngayon, nakita niyo naman, hindi umubra ang mga regalo ng ninong ni Kisha.
Uy, umobra yun. Do you like marshmallow?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Do you like Roblox?
Yes.
Yeah!
Do you like ninong?
Yes.
Bakla. Oh,
I've been working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs.
There's a move.
And happy graduation, baby, child.
What the sound of the horse? Horsey, may bubulong ako sa'yo. Mag-subscribe ka ha.